Millions of workers feel trapped, training the very AI that could replace them. This anxiety is growing fast and could change your career forever. Aaron McGough, founder of Advice with Aaron, reveals a striking trend. About 30% of workers admit they feel like they are training their own AI replacements. This is not just a vague worry, it's a daily reality for many. These employees are involved in repetitive, operational tasks that AI increasingly handles. The emotional toll is real, triggering anxiety as they anticipate a future where their roles might be automated out of existence. Industry leaders like Simi point out that operational roles built on repetitive work are the first to feel the AI impact. Where once large teams worked on routine tasks, AI agents now take over, reducing the need for human labor. This shift is not abstract. It affects large numbers of employees in fields relying on consistent, repeatable processes, accelerating job insecurity and workplace anxiety. Psychologically, anxiety differs from fear. Anxiety is an unpleasant inner state involving dread over anticipated events. In this case, the looming threat of AI replacing human jobs. Workers don't just fear losing their jobs, they feel a persistent turmoil because the threat feels inevitable and ongoing. This emotional state can affect productivity, mental health, and workplace morale. While many CEOs publicly cite AI as the reason for layoffs, experts like Forrester's Gounder suggest the reality is more complex. Pandemic-era overhiring, rising interest rates, and economic uncertainty are major factors behind workforce reductions. AI gets the spotlight, but these economic pressures fuel slow hiring and job cuts. This mix creates a perfect storm of anxiety for workers unsure if AI or economic forces threaten their futures. Alex Rosenblatt, author of Uberland, explains a deeper fear driving AI anxiety. As AI gets better, workers question the value of their roles. This isn't just about job loss, but about whether their work justifies their salaries. That insecurity can erode confidence and increase stress, especially in roles where AI can perform tasks faster and cheaper. If you're feeling uneasy about AI at work, you're not alone. This anxiety reflects real changes reshaping jobs now. Understanding these shifts can help you adapt and prepare. Stay informed, upskill, and don't let AI anxiety hold you back. Subscribe for daily insights on how tech impacts your career.